Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick review of the best blender, Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 showcases a modern design and impressive performance with its 1000 watts of professional grade power. The Ninja Total Crushing blades provide exceptional ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and precise processing. The XL 72 ounces professional blender jar is perfect for preparing beverages and smoothies for the entire family. Professional power, with 1000 watts of robust power, it can effortlessly crush ice and tackle any tough ingredient. Ninja Total Crushing technology quickly crushes ice and frozen fruits within seconds. XL capacity, the 72 ounces * professional blender pitcher is ideal for creating frozen beverages and creamy smoothies for the whole family. * 64 ounces. Maximum liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total Crushing technology offers unmatched power, with blades that effectively pulverize and crush ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Transform ice into a snow-like texture in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delightful resort-quality frozen drinks. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide offers inspiration for making drinks and dishes. Easy cleanup. The pitcher is dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup is as effortless and straightforward as using the blender. What's included? 1000 watt